Most people's routine will often involve waking up, make the bed, have a coffee, some breakfast, and popping to the washroom to starting the day. Incorporating yoga into a routine, whether it's daily, 2 sessions a week, or on a weekly basis, could really benefit your quality of life. So I have scientifically proven benefits of yoga that might convince you to try it out. So let's get started. Number 1. Increase strength. Holding your own body weight in different positions will help increase strength. Holding positions where the acting load of weight wouldn't normally be will cause your body to adapt to this increase of stress in that position. Stress doesn't mean it's going to be too hard for you to perform the position. There are varying levels and options to make it easier for you when you start. Begin with a few moves that can be done comfortably and then build on these as they become easier. Number 2. Improved flexibility. Practicing yoga for just 15 to 30 minutes a day will improve flexibility in targeted areas. Again, this is where you realize that the body is made for adapting. Studies show that holding a stretch and repeating this over time will allow your body to become comfortable with it, meaning you will be able to stretch a little further. Number 3. May help fight depression. There are some studies that show yoga could have antidepressant effect, which could help decrease symptoms of depression. This could be as yoga can help decrease the amount of cortisol, a stress hormone that influences levels of serotonin, the neurotransmitter often associated with depression. It also helps with social interaction, which can help benefit you if you suffer with depression alone or with traditional methods. Number 4. Improves problem solving and memory. When we are stressed and facing pressures from work and home life, we can find that we lose the ability to think rationally and solve basic problems. Studies conducted in the USA shows that practicing yoga twice a week could help synapses in the brain create new pathways. It's the creation of new pathways that can help us with problem solving. Furthermore, practicing yoga was also shown to help increase memory. Number 5. Correct irregular heartbeats. According to a journal published by the American College of Cardiology in 2013, atrial fibrillation experiences reported by patients dropped drastically among patients who engaged in regular yoga sessions to half the number they had at the beginning of treatment. This is a condition characterized by abnormal heart rhythm. Because of the irregular beating of the heart, this condition is responsible for stroke, another significant heart condition. Number 6. Decrease stress. A group of women who perceived themselves as emotionally distressed were used for a study where they measured their levels of cortisol. Cortisol is the primary stress hormone secreted by the body. After 3 months, they had significantly less cortisol and other mental benefits. This effect has been demonstrated in an array of studies, focusing primarily on yoga. Finally, yoga can be satisfying and totally enjoyable pastime that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Morning or evening, setting aside time and making room in your day to fit a 50 to 30 minutes yoga routine is quite achievable. Try yoga and see if you can take advantage of the benefits as proven by science. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.